YouTube. Merry Christmas to everybody, and just wanted to show off a little hack for an excavator. This is a 32-inch LED light bar that I got off eBay, and it was only $35 with shipping, and it seems pretty heavy duty. So I'm going to take a little time and wire this up and install this, and hopefully working at night won't be a problem anymore. So follow along. Okay, so we're going to mount the light bar up here. Made some little brackets out of steel, and I'm going to pre-drill some holes, and then we'll mount the light bar. Oh yeah? Oh, okay. Just a minute, bud. Yep. Okay, so we got the light bar mounted, so I'll just level it out and tighten the screws, and then we'll work on wiring it up.
I probably should get up on here instead. Hurry, hurry. It's okay. Okay.
Jack, can you scoot over for a second? I think you're sitting on something I need. Nope. All right. Thank you. You can sit down.
Thanks.
Okay, so we got it wired up. I'm going to give it a shot before I tighten everything up, but hopefully it turns on. There we go. They work.
Yeah.
There we go. All right.
Daddy, over here.
Stinker. Oh, thanks.
Daddy, want to hide behind here and try to scare me?
Yeah, just a second. I got to do a little bit more work.
Okay.
Okay, so we got everything wired up and shrink wrapped, and then zip tied all the wires away. So this is how things were with the one light on the boom, and I've got it wrapped up with a towel. So let's see what, get rid of the towel on the light bar, and that's what we're talking about now. You can see everything you're working on. So yeah, for 35 bucks, that's a pretty good result. I mean, you can see all around you. So, all right, well, hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.